innovative and revolutionary treatment which is free of fluoride. I think I'm saying it right. Fluoride. Firstly, it's a guy that's got to do your hair. You're kind of a bit like, oh, okay. And then when you notice the guy's not black and he's touching your hair, and you're like, you know I'm black, right? So, please. I feel like with my afro, I'm like, fierce, yes, yes, yes. And then I feel like with this new hairstyle, I'm kind of like, butter wouldn't melt, but it would melt. And I'm not that sweet. But, you know, looks can tell a different story. And it was really nice to go to Neville's, you know. I am bougie, so why not be in Knightsbridge, living your best life while getting your hair done, to be honest. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about my hair. So a lot of you have been messaging me on Instagram because I got my hair done, and I know I was like, I'm gonna do a vlog to show you how I went from afro to straight, and it's finally here guys, so you can rest assured. But before we get into that video and I go through all the details, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed to my channel? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've had my hair for about a week now, and I went to go and get it done last Tuesday the 2nd of April, I believe, or the 3rd, sometime. And I got the BRALIZ treatment, and this just makes achieving healthy, smoothie, silky, straight hair a lot more easier because Brazil have launched their innovative and revolutionary treatment which is free of fluoride. I think I'm saying it right. Fluoride, which a lot of the Brazilian blow dry treatments have. So this is without the chemical, it is also vegan free, and it lasts for 3 months guys. 3 months of straight hair guys, can I get an amen? And what I love about this treatment is it is also for European hair and afro hair. As you know, your girl be sporting her afro, but BRALIZ came through and helped me out. So the treatment uses all natural ingredients such as Brazilian Botanical Bioactives, cashew and Brazilian nut oil, which have antioxidant properties which help to realign the hair, repairing and smoothing the hair cuticles so that your hair is laid straight and silky guys. So I'm just going to talk you through my treatment, and I'm going to show videos of while I was getting it done. So the first step is to obviously go and just wash and condition my hair. And then I got my hair blow dried out to afro form, and then I got the Brazil conditioning treatment which helps to kind of like bind hair cuticles and follicles just to make the hair a lot smoother. I left that treatment in my hair for like an hour and a half just because I do have afro hair, and making sure that my hair was saturated in that conditioner meant that my hair was being bonded and making my hair last smoother for a longer period of time. Okay, so this is what it looks like now that I've finished the treatment. Absolutely in love with the treatment. The guy that did my hair, who's also the ambassador for BRALIZ, is Jack. He is literally the most funniest guy. Like, we were literally having banter like throughout the whole day because I think my treatment altogether was like 4 hours, so it was like Oh my god. But he's such a cool guy, and he's had like loads of experience in terms of hair and different types of hair. And you know, when you first go in, firstly it's a guy that's got to do your hair. You're kind of a bit like, oh, okay. And then when you notice the guy's not black and he's touching your hair, you're like, you know I'm black, right? So please, are you actually used to dealing with afro hair? So we were laughing about that because he was like, yeah, I am used to dealing with afro hair, but it's like, sometimes you kind of look and you think, does he know his stuff? But yeah, that definitely was not a problem at all. And I am just besotted with my hair. What I love about this treatment is normally when I straighten my hair, the moment I go outside, if it's raining, if it's hot, if there's hailstones, if there's a little bit of humidity in the air, you start to see 1 or 2 hairs, like they just start to curl up, and then before you know it, the ends of my hair are like literally like curling. Whereas with this treatment, I can go out the whole night and my hair will stay straight, literally. Like, I don't even wrap it when I go to bed, which is what I should be doing. And I know some of you are going to be looking at me sideways like, why do you not wrap your hair before you go to bed? For the people that are not of colour, we usually, if our hair is straightened, we do wrap it when we go to bed to kind of like prolong the silkiness and the straightness of the hair. But I have not been doing that. I think I did it a couple of times this week, and then I was like, oh, forget it. But yeah, I haven't really been putting too much product on my hair. All I've been doing is using the Palmer's olive oil just to spray the hair. I've also been using my OGX coconut miracle oil, so I've been using the 2 of those just to spray the hair. Just to smooth my hair down, I've been using El Nair and then Oris olive oil for my edges, and that's it really. I haven't washed my hair yet, so I will do a separate review when I do wash my hair, but I've been using dry hair shampoo, and of course I use the IGK First Class Dry Hair Shampoo. Absolutely love it. It does not leave any white residue, and that is why I use it, and it just makes my hair smell really clean. The only thing that I will say is that I think because obviously my hair is afro, the ends of my hair are a little bit thick, so I have been just re-straightening the ends of my hair. But in terms of like the top, the roots of my hair, like fine, I haven't really had to like re-straighten it, which is kind of good. I just basically get up and go. Like, I did blow dry my hair the other day because I got it wet, and the ends of my hair just went a little bit more fluffy, so I ended up blow drying and re-straightening my hair. But that's about it. So they gave me some products for when I am going to wash my hair, and this just aids in prolonging the hair just a little bit longer. So I got the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in treatment. So when I wash my hair, probably like next week or at the end of this week, I think I'm going to wash my hair on Saturday, to be honest. When I wash my hair, I'm going to do a separate video and show you guys how I use these products and style it, so look out for that video. But yeah guys, I can't recommend this treatment enough. I'm so glad it's like in the UK, and I'm so glad that it's like kind of like a non-invasive treatment. It's like without the chemicals, and it's something like vegan and not damaging the environment, so I'm kind of all for it, to be honest. And it was really nice to go to Neville's. You know, I am bougie, so why not be in Knightsbridge living your best life while getting your hair done, to be honest. But yeah, I thought I'd miss my afro for a bit, but it's something completely different. I never like actually have my hair straightened down, so it's kind of nice, kind of something different, to be honest. I feel like with my afro I'm like fierce, yes, 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 and then I feel like with this new hairstyle I'm kind of like butter wouldn't melt, but it would melt, and I'm not that sweet, but you know, looks can tell a different story. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this treatment and this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can get this treatment done. But I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always stay what? Bougie.